Welcome at a new hashtag MTPwerks. I would like to wish you a very happy and healthy 2026. In this vlog we're going to talk about the offer with the hats. We are going to, for January, you also get a free hat with every order of €125 and more. In this vlog I'm going to talk about the Kubota KT24. I'm going to talk about maintenance and of the functions of this tractor. And I'm going to talk about water pumps. People tend to forget them with maintenance, and I'm going to talk about how to change them, and I'm going to talk about how to check them. In this month, January, you get a free MTP-parts hat with every order of €125 or more. In a workshop we get tractors like these. This is a Kubota KT24 and it's got completely worn out and cracked tires. At MTP-parts we got a big assortment of tires, like this tire. You can replace your old tire with this BKT tire and you got nice new tires. In the moment we got the tires in offer with 20% discount. At MTP-parts we got a big assortment of tires. As you can see, 12-inch tires over here, 14-inch tires. And we've got most of the tires up into 24-inch on stock, and also the lawn tires we got on stock. Do you need to know more about tires? Please let us know. This Kubota KT24 is straight from Japan. This is just some specifications of the tractor. This is a 28 horsepower tractor with a 3-cylinder diesel engine from Kubota, of course. It's got a 12-speed gearbox, 12 forwards, 12 backwards. It's got power steering. It's got 3-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and it's a very nice young unit. This tractor is for a workshop. MTPwerkt is going to sell it to an end user, and we fix these tractors from Japan and we make them perfectly and sell them with warranty. And I'm going to tell you what we are going to do once we have this tractor in our workshop. In this case we are going to replace the tires with new tires, because I already told you they are worn and they are cracked, so we are going to change them with new tires. We're going to give the tractor big maintenance, so I'm going to lift up the bonnet and let you show. Firstly, we replace the air filter, we replace the diesel oil filter, we replace the engine oil filter and engine oil, of course. We check the coolant for coolant level. If it's not going to freeze, it's not going to freeze up. We go to the battery over here, it's loose. We're going to fix it and tighten it up. And we always check the water pump, but later on I'm going to tell you some more about the water pump. The 4-wheel drive of these tractors is a part that needs oil, and many times the seals leak, so we check for the seals if they leak, and if they leak, of course we replace them. And if you need to fill up the axle, because we fill up the axle up to the half of the axle, and if you need to fill up the axle, for sure something is going to leak. So just fill it up and check what seal is leaking. But it's very important to check. Then we go on with the tractor. The rear of the tractor, there is a big oil compartment for the hydraulic and drive oil. With this tractor it's approximately 20 to 30 liters, and we replace it. We put in new filters, etc. And then we go backwards to the 3-point linkage. Of course we test the linkage for its work, so up and down, etc, etc. We are going to grease the stabilizers. We are going to put this one over there so it's lower, and we're going to check the cylinder for leakage. Once the cylinder leaks we replace it, mostly with a spindle. For sure we check the seal of the PTO, we check the seal at the rear drives here, as you can see, and we go underneath the tractor and we check if nothing is leaking or is being strange. So this is a Japanese tractor, and if you make it ready It's a very reliable tractor, and we also sell these with 3 months warranty. And for sure, once you fix a tractor and give it good maintenance, you've got a tractor for a very long time. In our workshop, I see many people forget to check their water pumps, because if the water pump fails, it can damage the radiator and you need to replace the water pump and the radiator. It's very easily how you can check. You can check the fan. If you feel if there is a play or on it, on the bearings, you need to change the water pump. And if you are in time, you only have to change the water pump. But if you don't change in time, this fan will hit the radiator and everything is broken. And then you have to replace the radiator and the water pump. Thanks for watching, and I would love to see you back again in the next video.